my channel. Thank you so much for the new subscribers, for the old subscriber, for the people who view my videos without subscribing. Please subscribe. So guys, today it's a very cold day here in Kenya. It's freezing. So now, because it's freezing, I decided to cook something to keep us warm, something nice and sweet. Guys, guess who we're cooking? We're cooking somebody. Look. Oh, it's have too much blood. We're cooking a tilapia fish. Let's get started. Guys, you heard me saying we are cooking tilapia fish. Yes, we are cooking tilapia fish. We're gonna cook two types of fish. First, I'm gonna cook a curry fish, and we're also gonna cook a deep fried fish because some people, they love curry fish. Some people, which is me, I love deep fried fish. So we cook it two ways. So we'll start by slicing our tilapia. It's a big one. So now what I will do is, this fish is for two people. So I will see how will I cook it, like that. So now we are slicing it up, and there is a backbone there, so you need to use your knife hard. So guys, now you scale your fish, you give it some lime so that it will deep fry nicely. And guys, this fish is already washed nicely. I washed it with vinegar and it's looking amazing now. So guys, now our fish is looking nicely. It looks fantastic. Now we'll salt our fish. Make sure you also salt inside. You salt it according to your taste, like that. And we can apply little lemon juice, but I don't think, I'm not even apply lemon juice because I'll use lemon juice later. And guys, I'm cooking the curry fish that I'm cooking. I'll be using coconut cream. The coconut cream, it's very nice with fish. If you like it, why not? For the coconut fish curry, we'll just use simple ingredients because we want to get all the flavors of the fish. So in this case, we'll be using red onion, garlic, coriander, lemon, tomato, and curry powder, and chili lemon for it to have heat. Just if you want heat, it's perfect. Now you need to wait for the oil until before it was saying blah, 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 and now it's like silent. When it's silent, it means that it's hot. So don't do it like that. I put my fish on the oil. The oil is very hot. It should be extremely hot. Fish, if you want your fish not crispy, don't use not very hot oil. It should be like very hot. Guys, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Guys, as you can see, I decided to to change my frying pan because the other one it was shallow and the oil was like splashing out. So I thought it can be a fire hazard, something that you should always be very careful in your house. So I opted to put this one. It's a whoop. It's deep inside. It's deep now. I'm not even worried. Even the oil will go. In my kitchen, I am very fast. I'm sorry. So, meanwhile the fish is getting deep fried, I'll be cooking the curry where I'll cook the fish. So we'll start now. The curry is extremely hot. We'll not use too much oil, just a little. And then we go in with our onion. We'll start with the onion. Onion in. Just prepare a little. Prepare it for like 1 minute. We want it to just to be soft. Now we can put our garlic in. Wow, the aroma of garlic and onion is amazing. Smelling fantastic. And the fish is doing good as well. The fish is okay now. Now we put our tomatoes in. Wow, the garlic is so fragrant. So guys, now what we'll do is we'll put our spices. So for the spices of the day, we'll be using curry powder. You put as per your taste or the size of the fish. My fish is very big. It looks big. And I'll put little cayenne pepper. Because the person who's eating this fish loves pepper, so no harm for them. And my favorite chili lemon. I love chili lemon. It's so amazing. This fish actually will be very spicy, but I'm not worried about the level of the heat because the person who's eating eats a lot of spices. And salt as per your taste. And remember, we had put salt here, but you know, if you put salt here, it will dissolve in the oil. So at the end of the day, even if you are eating the fish, you need to add more salt on the table. Because you see, we are using here. Now we are making a thick curry for this fish. I'll put a little water and I'll cover it. Guys, our guy is looking amazing. So we'll put him there for him to wait to the next process. He's the one who's going to the next process. The tail, it's mine. So the tail, I'll just deep fry it now. Make sure you put your thing like this. You can put it inside, but don't turn it. Please don't turn it. If you turn it, it will break. You don't want your fish to break. If you don't want your fish to break, make sure you're using a nice pan. It can be a non-stick or a nice pan. Any nice pan that you have in your kitchen, the one that, you know, even some pans you use, the fish will break. So make sure you have that nice pan. And when you put your fish inside your oil, like I did, forget about it. Just let it look like that. Guys, now I'm putting the cream, and I want to put some little cream for the rice. I think this is enough. Wow, our curry paste is looking wow. And I'll put little lemon juice, just like little lemon juice like that. Wow. Wow, guys, our guy is looking very nice. So now we just put him inside. Put him inside and we try and time little. The person who's eating this does not want too much for it to be very wet, so it will be like that. And remember, our fish is already cooked nicely. So now we just let it simmer, reduce reduce your heat completely. And our coconut rice is getting cooked here. Oh, and I put water. And our other fish is cooked already. Wow, it's so crispy. I like a very crispy fish, extra crispy. So make sure you drain all the oil, just like I'm doing. And voila, we have our fish. Our buddy is looking fantastic, amazing. So he's fully done. The next step is now we'll just put in coriander. We just chop coriander on top of him as we wait for him to be munched on later. Just like that. And wow, he's looking good. He's fully done. Now we just cover him and turn off the gas as we wait for the rice to get cooked nicely. Wow, our fish is looking fantastic. Our fish curry looking amazing, but this is not my fish. So this one we'll just put it like that, but I'm happy with the outcome. And for the rice now, I'll still cook for longer. You all know the process of cooking white rice. The only tip I can give you, and I got this tip from my Filipino friends, kamusta kabayan? They told me don't put, oh my God, what is that? Something fell down. They told me don't put salt in your rice. Why? And I find it to be good actually, because maybe the fish now, I cook the fish, maybe by bad luck, maybe I put extra salt on it. And then the rice also it have salt. So it will be like, you know, if the rice doesn't have salt, it can cut down the salt from your, whatever you're eating your rice with. So normally from that time, I don't put rice salt. And guys, my fish is looking, it's hot, but it's looking nice, huh? The fin, you see the fin? It's like, it's amazing. So guys, I'll be telling you bye-bye from my kitchen. Adios. I love you all. Mwah.